Do you want to get back photos that were permanently deleted from Google Photos? In this guide, we'll show you how to try and recover permanently deleted photos from Google Photos in 2026. Right, let's be honest first. Permanently deleted usually means it's gone for good. Google Photos does not keep a hidden copy once something is removed from the trash. But yeah, there are a few rare cases where you might still get them back. Here's how it really works. If it's been less than 60 days, you're still okay. Open Google Photos. In Google Photos, go to Collections. In Collections page, open the trash. Pick the deleted photos or videos. Tap Restore. Allow it. Now, let's clear up some myths. Google keeps deleted photos forever. That's not true. Contact support to recover permanently deleted photos. This usually won't work. There's a hidden archive. Nope, that doesn't exist. If the trash is empty, 60 days have passed, and there's no backup, then yeah, recovery is basically not possible. Turn on backup in Google Photos and set it up properly so you don't run into this again. Got a problem? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.